All right, guys, welcome. We're going to be talking about US 30 and the trade that I put. Well, I did a trade analysis, a top down analysis yesterday. I made a video talking about US 30 and the daily trend, which is in an uptrend, and it actually was in a pullback. So if we looking at US 30, that's the wrong button. If we're talking about US 30, trend, you can see that it's in an uptrend because it's above the 50 EMA. If it was below the 50 EMA, which is the blue one, it would be a downtrend, but it's in an uptrend. So the past like week or so, like 2 weeks, actually, it's been in a daily pullback to I think the 318 or the 382, whatever it's called. You know what I'm talking about. And actually, it was right here. Yeah, so the 382. So, well, it almost hit the 382. So we pull back to the 50 EMA, and then it rejected off the 50 EMA. So yesterday I was saying that I'm really looking for a small pullback and a continuation of the buy. And I'm looking to continue buying US 30 until this area right here, 34496. And then I'll assess again from that point, depending on if it breaks through this area or if it rejects off of it. Of course, if it rejects off of it, then I'm going to be looking for some type of setup to go short. But if it breaks through it, then I'll be looking for a retest and continuation up. So this trade that I took, I actually did take this buy. Let me remove this. I actually took this buy, and on my Forex Funds challenge, I'm on phase 2, and I was down to 93,000. I have $100,000 account, and I was down to 93,000 just being undisciplined, taking undisciplined trades, not taking my trade. But this trade actually got me back to 97,000. So I'm going to talk to you guys about what I saw. So yesterday all I could see was this. This is the price on the hard right edge. These blue lines are day tracers. So everything in between these two lines is one day, one day, one day. So yesterday we talked about this being a peak formation. So let's label that peak formation. So our bias is a buy because we saw it was in a daily uptrend and it pulled back to the 382 and rejected off the 50 EMA. So what I was looking for today at market open was a pullback to either the 50 EMA or the 200 EMA. And when I got to the charts, it was actually pulling back to the 50 EMA. So right here is around 8 o'clock when I started looking at the charts. And you can see it's right here on the 1 hour, right here on the 200 EMA, the Mayo. It's right here on the 200 EMA. But if you take it down to the 15 minutes, because I take my entries either on the 15-minute or the 5-minute. You see, it broke down below the 50 EMA, but it still made an awkward W. So if you know, I trade a market maker. So I was looking for a pullback and some type of W formation. And being that it broke through the 50 EMA, I know that they're trapping traders short. Breaking down through the 50 EMA is kind of showing people that, or making people think that the trade is going to go short or that US 30 is going to go short, because you see right here where it broke the 50 EMA, then retested it. A lot of people take that trade and go short. So that's kind of the W formation. It came down, broke it, retested the EMA, came back down, and the next thing you know, you're back out of profit, and it came back up. So once this candle at 9:30 broke above and closed above the 50 EMA, I got a position. And it was a strong close. There's no wick. This is market open. There's no wick on this candle right here. So once this closed, I got in my position. stop loss below the trapping area. 5-10 pips below the trapping area. And I actually wanted to play it a little safe because US 30 has been kind of wicking. So I put my stop loss a little bit deeper down here below the 200 EMA just in case they came back. But the way the candle closed, I highly doubt if they were going to come back down there because the close of the open market bar was so strong. So I got in there and I took it to about here. I caught about 100. No, actually I caught 100 and I caught 230 pips. Yeah, I caught 230 pips because I made $4,600. I put two standards on it. So I needed it to get me back. But yep, I caught this move up. I didn't catch everything. You can never catch everything. So I caught this move up. And if we're following the market maker trend next week, so this would be the peak formation. And this would be level 1. What we would be looking for on Sunday, Monday would be a pullback, probably to about right here, this zone flip here, and continue up. So we have peak formation level 1, level 2, and level 3. So that's my analysis for next week, Sunday, Monday, to continue buying. And then I would be looking to terminate the trade around 34496. So that's all I got for you today. Thank you for coming. Um, and if you want more content like this, like the video, and comment more. Thank you and see you tomorrow.